push for those boundaries now. Slower delivery. There's a man on the fence. He stands there and just collects. Totally deceived. A good wicket. Yeah, good bowling too. It was a slow delivery. Maybe just needed a little bit extra into that shot to clear that boundary. I think they're checking the no ball, or they're checking the boundary, because it was right on that skirting, very close to the boundary. Rumaan Reis was the man who had enough time, who stood there, waited for the ball. I'll be very surprised if he has touched the skirting or the boundary, or should I call it, because he had enough time to stand there, wait for the ball, caught it quite comfortably. I think he had quite a bit of space between his feet and the boundary. So I think Tim Paine's got to go. He's got to go.
Yeah, well, no trouble whatsoever, even when he takes a step back. Has enough space, made the judgment early, got himself in position, and completed the catch with ease. Bit of a chit-chat whilst they wait for the deliberation and confirmation from the third umpire.